Good morning and welcome to Occam's Razor Gardening, Cooking and Canning, where we do a daily update on the growth of the garden. I just wanted to show you how the fog is burning off this morning. Had a lot of rain last night. If you're watching us on YouTube, please give us a like. If you're watching us on Rumble, please give us a thumbs up and please follow. Yes, well, we did get a bit of rain last night. Yes, indeed. Yes, we did. On and off. Could have used that rain this summer. And as we can see from where the pool was, there's still a bit of puddling going on. So the plants should be pretty happy, along with my water bill. Now, squash box is at the end of its life. Although the vines will continue to react and grow, following their biological imperative programming at the cellular level. Just wants to keep growing, just like weeds do. Okay? But right now it's just waiting for all these squashes to finish maturing, like these wonderful spaghetti squashes here. As they turn yellow, golden yellow, like those ones there, they're ready. These ones, not quite yet. Now, of course, we always go through and we looked at our ridiculous pepper plant that we never harvested because it was too slow and never really gave us anything to use in the canning. And the tomato plants that I don't harvest, that I just like to see them grow and feed the critters, still producing some tomatoes, even as overnight temperatures drop into the low teens. Although a couple of days there, we will be going down to 7 degrees. So there's the frosts coming soon. Who knows? Who knows with this continental weather pattern? Here's a look at our sunflower back here, as it's continuing to increase its size of its flower head, attracting all the pollinators. In the last couple of days, it's been the seasonal allergies. Although my allergies stopped really being serious once I stopped adding inflammation to my body by putting things in it that weren't natural and that caused inflammation. So all the other stuff they put in your processed food these days, a lot of those things cause inflammation. You know, if you're using anything other than avocado or olive oil for cooking and eating, the rest of that stuff, all those other oils, will probably cause you inflammation. And of course, the biggest cause of inflammation, alcohol. Keep that out of your body. That will also help boost your immune system and reduce, oh look, I've got a zucchini, and increase your, and boost your ability to deal with your seasonal allergies. You know, yeah, I was like a walking snot factory. And now it's just the odd sneeze. Oh, I have another one over there. I don't want to step on these vines. Let's get in the box. Here. Wow. Okay. Very rich in zucchini. Keeping them from rolling away. Well, that one will be ready tomorrow. Oh, we'll do really well with the beans today. Oh yes, Look at you. Well, let's go back here and have a look at the potatoes. Ah, yes, the plants, the tops are starting to want to give up the ghost. Well, I mean, they've been growing all year, or all summer. No, the tops really are minimizing down. Well, let's see what happens after the heat's up today. All that rain probably perked them right up. Not much left to collect here in the potato box. Just this batch here. We'll probably dig those up today. Well, at least one of the plants anyway. As long as we get enough to make some fries. Be cooking up some pork neck bones today. Not sure if we're going to do it Olio style. No, not that. Usabuco style. Or if I'm just maybe slowly barbecue them. Just like ribs. They taste just like ribs. Pork neck bones. Well, let's go past our other part of the zucchini plant here. Oh, look, another one. Another zucchini. All right. Perfect. All right, well, let's drop that zucchini off, go in the front, and have a look at the other plants in the front box. And here we are, right at the lavender once again. And on the ostrich front, again, no news is good news. So let's look at our pumpkin growth. Has there been any increase in size? No, not in height, not in width, but like we noticed yesterday, it is starting to get more and more orange. So I think that is the size of the pumpkin. Looks like we will get that one pumpkin. And our corner sunflower, yeah, continues to get munched on by the critters. Probably the same one that goes through. Knows where all his munching spots are. Ah, look. Zucchini trying to make more zucchini. But that's, could have used you yesterday to pollinate that zucchini down there that didn't get pollinated. Oh well. Yep. Kid going by in his scooter. Going to school. That'll slowly just rot away as we watch all the leaves slowly die off. Well, we did try. And oh, look, we're getting into the white. Nice white morning glories. I haven't seen these pop out before. That's interesting. I've thrown in a mix of the purple and the pink, but it's the first time I've gotten a white one. Interesting. And our other sunflower. Ooh, oblong head. And the critters almost to concentrate on the other one. And our morning glories. Look at that. And just amazing getting these white ones. There you go. Amazing. Any white ones over here? Well, look at that. There are two. Right up there. Well, that's the first. Well, if you've hung out to the end to see how the garden is doing, I really appreciate it. It is near the end of the growing season. Some nice healthy zucchinis today. Well, that's all for today, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.